Welcome to Mental Health Meemaw. Today we're going to talk about how to handle a narcissist without losing your mind in snacks. Ever dealt with someone who thinks the world revolves around them? Spoiler, it doesn't. But don't worry. Today we're diving into 3 hilariously painful scenarios that'll teach you how to handle narcissists like a calm Jedi instead of a caffeine-deprived porcupine. Number 1, the one-upper Olympics. You say, I finally started walking for exercise. And then they say, oh, I run marathons, barefoot, in emotional storms. You mention your promotion. They've been basically running the company since birth. The fix? Don't compete, redirect. Compliment their achievement. Then pivot the combo faster than a cat hearing a vacuum. That's amazing, Steve. Anyway, I'm curious. Have you ever tried mindfulness? Redirecting avoids ego threats, which keeps their defense mode off. Studies in social psychology show this lowers tension and keeps you in control. Number 2, the gaslight gala. You tell them they hurt your feelings. Then they say, I never said that. You show proof. They squint. That's not what I meant. And you start wondering if your brain's been hacked by aliens. Stop debating your reality. Use the gray rock method. Emotionless responses like, I see, okay, noted. Think of yourself as a human screensaver, calm, blank, and utterly unreactive. This works because narcissists feed on emotional reactions. By giving none, you deactivate their reward circuitry. It's like unplugging their ego charger. Number 2, the spotlight snatcher. You're sharing a heartfelt story at brunch, and suddenly they're hijacking the moment. That reminds me of my trauma, and somehow your sad moment becomes their TED Talk. Don't fight the spotlight. Step off the stage. Limit exposure. Set clear time boundaries, and save your real feelings for safe people. Protect your peace like it's Wi-Fi in a crowded cafe. Research in boundary psychology shows that consistent limits reduce cortisol spikes and they strengthen self-worth. Remember, you can't heal a narcissist, but you can heal your reactions. Stay calm, stay kind, and stay out of their drama documentary. You're not a supporting character, you're the director. And remember, my little cherubs, Meemaw's always rooting for you.